And small look at this new Burstner Habition Hmx 6.0 prototype based on the Mercedes-Benz chassis with towering fridge. But one thing that's pretty interesting, they have this sliding situation, so you can actually slide the sitting area forward to get to a bigger situation, let's say for the toilet or actually for the bedding. And checking out just the burner stoves, sink with a smaller situation for the actual kitchen side, like that. And also cabinet on the upper part, additional cabinet on this part, and two cabinets here and two additional cabinets there. But one interesting thing is this newly designed actual washroom where you can, well, comfortably take a shower inside, but you have also a fold down sink with additional storage unit. And this means also that you can move the complete shower to this part, so you get much more space for the bedding situation. And this is actually a pretty long bed. If we measure, this is just 6 meter Mercedes Sprinter 4x4. We're getting 1.9 from this side, but probably if we move the bed, now we have 1.1, but moving it forward, we will have a complementary approximately also 70 centimeters from that side. So we will have a double big bed. And also, I forgot, we have a big pop-up roof all around, so 4 people will be sleeping pretty comfortably in this Habition 4x4 from Burstner. And this is for now just a concept, but I am looking forward to seeing this van as a production model pretty soon. And we shall be seeing now how this works. When you fold down the seats, if you don't need them, and you are going to a sleeping situation, you're just folding down the seats, and you will be moving forward the complete bench. Pretty ingenious stuff. And then the complete shower goes in front, giving you much more sleeping space on the back. Well, that's pretty ingenious. Now this is approximately 1.8, and on this part where we measured is 1.9. So in pretty large bedding situation. And
Okay.
And I will show you now on the closer part how this looks. And the actual bed from this side will be 1.8, so it's extremely large also from this side. As we measure inside that van, this is getting at about 1.9, so a double comfortable longitudinal bed. I would like to exit.
We're out.
Yeah. Thank you. And that's the new Habition from Burstner, laid out like a show